Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking to Professor D.K. Giri about the Delhi floods. So Delhi is flooding and yesterday it rained heavily. So we have witnessed that there's a lot of traffic jam. Shelters and houses have collapsed, something which has happened even at the airport. So what is our preparedness regarding this and how are we taking this? Because Delhi, it happens every year, but we were waiting for rains.
Yeah.
And now it has flooded.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is really very shocking what we are experiencing. A few days ago, the whole Delhi was thirsting for rains. It was so hot, and when the rains come, the devastation follows. So that is very unfortunate. In fact, shameful, really. And this is the capital of the country. And if we cannot manage one night's rain and have our roads clogged and traffic jam, this is very unfortunate. And I would say that the Delhi administration, which is a dual administration, Lieutenant Governor as the head of the government and the elected assembly here, they are into blame game. Responsibility has to be fixed and there has to be accountability. And why the roof collapsed and a person had to die on a slight change of weather. So this is shocking here.
What do you think about the institutions which are supposed to be the forefront for this? NDMA, the National Disaster Management Authority, the other organizations, NDRF, which is also a force. So, I mean, these institutions should be coming ahead and doing things. So, I mean, are we not institutionally prepared for this?
Well, institutionally we are quite strong. You are right. We have NDRF and NDMA, but then they act on really disaster situation. It is not a disaster yet in Delhi in the conventional sense of the term, but since it is the capital, there are over 200 missions stationed here, and the whole world is watching how we are treating our capital. So I would say it is really very disappointing to see the ineffective way of handling this situation. And I tend to believe that perhaps we are not structurally prepared for any rain. The slight drizzle, the electricity goes, the traffic lights go, and the roads are jammed, and people are stuck at homes. So this is terrible. Why should not they have the drainage? We have engineering of the high quality, and why can't they prepare the water to filter out and the water logging stops? The entire city is like a mini lake. This time they are saying the river water in Jamuna cross the danger level, but that also is anticipated, isn't it? When there rains, the river will flood. So why people are not prepared, and why can't they improvise and move the machinery to look after the people and save lives and save the habitat? So I would say that this time the people should demand Parliament is in session. They should demand accountability from the people responsible. And I would say that the head should roll, and the first head to roll is that of Lieutenant Governor.
That is true. And I think the government should be coming forward, the state government and central government should be in collaboration for doing this and taking, because it's a very normal thing, it happens every year. So this is one of the primary responsibility for the government together to work for this.
Yes, that's a good point you have raised, because in the contemporary parlance, political party parlance, it is not a double engine government. So you have a state government which belongs to another party, and then the central government. So they have this ongoing tension between them, and that is okay. Political competition is understandable, but the consequence should not be that people should suffer, and the interest of the people's safety and security of the people should be paramount. And both Delhi government as well as union government, because they jointly administer Delhi, and they should be accountable to the people. And if people suffer, their political battle really doesn't matter, to the common people of Delhi. So they keeping the interest of the people in mind, and they should temporarily forget their animosity and come together without political competition or conflict, and serve the people and handle the crisis at hand.
That's Thank you so much for watching us.